Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we all are going to a jungle safari. We will learn different wild animals with their sounds. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing. Let's go.
This is a tiger.
This is a tiger.
This is a lion.
This is a lion.
This is a fox.
This is a fox.
This is a wolf.
This is a wolf.
Is a giraffe. This
This is a giraffe.
this is a zebra.
This is a zebra.
This is a kangaroo.
This is a kangaroo.
This is a deer.
This is a deer.
This is a bear.
This is a bear.
This is a polar bear.
This is a polar bear.
This is a hippopotamus.
This is a hippopotamus.
This is a rhinoceros.
This is a rhinoceros.
This is a panda.
This is a panda.
This is an elephant.
This is an elephant.
This is a monkey.
This is a monkey.
This is a gorilla.
This is a gorilla.
This is a koala.
This is a koala.
This is a porcupine.
This is a porcupine.
This is a hyena.
This is a hyena.
This is a boar.
This is a boar.
This is a crocodile.
This is crocodile.
This is a cheetah.
This is a cheetah.
Thanks for learning with us, friends. We have learned so many wild animals today. Which one was your favorite?
My favorite one was the panda.
Amazing! Kung Fu Panda, isn't it? Thanks for learning. See you in the next video.
Forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye.